Good afternoon, students. Okay, so unit and output costing. Yesterday I have explained first problem. Second one I have given the homework. Now you see the third question. From the following information, prepare a statement of cost of production for the year 1993 he has given. So what he has said to prepare, cost of production he is said to prepare, and what the information he has given once you see here. Opening stock of raw material 1,44,000, purchase of raw material 8,64,000, closing stock of raw material 2,16,000, direct wages is how much? 3,60,000. So calculate factory overheads 20% on prime cost and office overheads 80% on factory overhead he has given. So finally here what we have to do? We have to do cost sheet only. But till where we have to prepare that? Till cost of production we have to do. Till cost of production. Okay. So once you see here answer ma. First direct materials consumed. Direct materials consumed I have taken. So opening stock of raw material is how much here? 1,44,000 plus purchase of raw material 8,64,000. Both you have to add. From that deduct closing stock of raw material 2,16,000. So how much you got here? 7,92,000. Add direct wages 3,60,000. Then how much you got ma here? 11,52,000 we got. Next factory overheads. For factory overheads, what is the point he has given here? Calculate factory overheads 20% on prime cost he has said. What he has said ma? 20% on prime cost he has said. So prime cost how much we got here? 11,52,000 we got. On this 11,52,000 we should calculate 20%. Then how much you will be getting? 2,30,400. 2,30,400. Now add. After adding you will be getting 13,82,400. That will be a work cost or factory cost. Work cost or factory cost. Next add office or administration overhead. For office or administration overhead what he has given ma? Once you see the question here. Office overheads 80% of factory overheads he has said. Listen carefully, it is not a factory cost, it is a factory overhead. Nothing but on factory overhead. Factory overhead is how much here? 2,30,400. On this 2,30,400, how much we have to calculate ma here? 80%. How much we have to calculate? 80% on factory overhead, not on factory cost. On factory overhead we should calculate 80%. After calculating 80%, how much we got here? 1,84,320 we got. Add. After adding, the cost of production is how much ma here? 15,66,720. 15,66,720. This is a cost of production. Okay, this is third question. Okay, next coming to the fourth. Once you see the fourth question ma here, a factory produces 100 units of commodity. The cost of production is direct material 10,000, direct wages 5,000, direct expenses 1,000, factory overhead 6,500, administration overheads 3,480. If profit of 25% on sale is to be realized, what would be the selling price of each unit of the commodity as asked? So here actually what is the question means ma? Totally company is producing 100, factory is producing 100 units of a commodity, and direct material, wages, direct expenses, factory overhead, administration overheads, all he has given. And what he has given, even profit is also given. But profit what he has given? If profit of 25% on sales he has given. On sales, but sales is there in the question? No, sales we don't have in the question. So that is a point, it is very important point you should remember. And what would be the selling price of each unit of the commodity as asked? Okay, so now you see the answer here. First, as usually, direct material consumed. What I have taken once you see ma, direct materials, direct wages, direct expenses directly he has given. So directly we have taken, that is after adding we got the prime cost 16,000 and factory overhead. Factory overhead directly has given in the question, that is 6,500 we have added. So how much we got here? 22,500. Offer was office overhead or administration overhead. Office or administration overhead directly has given in the question 3,480. So how much we got here? 25,980. Okay, selling and distribution we don't have anything. And then finally the cost of sales is how much ma? 25,980 is the cost of sales. And profit he has given. Profit what he has said? 25% on sales he has said. But say nothing but here how we have to take means we have to assume that sales will be 100%. Sales will be 100%. If profit is 25%, then cost of sales will be how much? 75%. So why we are doing like this means here, once you see the question here, if profit of say 25% on sales he has given, not on cost. If suppose he has given on cost means directly we used to calculate on cost of sales. Okay, but what he has said on sales he has said, but sales is there in the question? No, we don't have sales. So now what we have to do here? We have to think that sales should be 100% and profit is 25%. So then cost of sales will be how much? 75%. 75 plus 25. Totally sales will be how much now? 100%. In that way we have to think. Okay, now profit. How we have calculated profit here? You see 25,980. But this is the cost of sales. 25,980 into 25 divided by 75 I have taken. Why I have taken this? Because he has said 25% on sales, not on cost. If suppose he has said on cost, then directly we used to calculate 25 by 100. But he has not said on cost. He has said on sales. That's why what we have done here, 25 divided by 75 we have done. So how much profit we got? 8,660 profit we got. And what we have to do? We have to add, and finally sales. Sales how much we got here? 34,640 is sales. Okay, finally we got the sales. But in the question what he has asked, selling price per unit he has asked. So 100 units, for 100 units, how many units they are preparing? 100 units they are preparing. For 100 units if it is 34,640, then for 1 unit how much? Do the cross multiplication. You will be getting the 346.40. 346.40, that is the selling price per unit. Okay, clear ma?